Hi friends, this video shows how to remove lens from Canon 1100D. So this is a Canon 1100D which I bought around 11 years back. So in this video I will show you how to remove the lens. So here you can see one button. This is the lens release button. And here you can see one white square mark. This is the lens mount index. Okay, if you want to remove this lens, first we have to press and hold this lens release button. Just press and hold lens release button. Then we need to rotate the lens like this. See, this way we can easily remove the lens. After that we can release the lens release button. Okay, so then next I will show you how to insert this lens. As I said, here we can see one white square. This is the lens mount index. Similar white square we can see here on the camera body. First we have to align these two marks. Okay, then we have to rotate the lens like this until we hear a tick sound. Okay, done. So this way we can insert the lens. So this way we can remove and insert lens. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video. I will show you one more time. See, removed. If you want to insert, done. It's very easy, right? Okay, so please try this.